nayo live education.
Successful
Hayi
registration.
live education, hayi yini live education ivasi hayi lezi abonene pressa futhi la pressa lamadoda la pressa futhi
Nje
yeah salute makasiphushile for fun sengirejistile mina uma cela uzoregister pressa direct
sifuna somche.
okay oyehla Scholar Downs
Sibangena igala lesiyeso.
hayi le account yakhe hayi Scholar Down awudingi like kaladina ne awudingi ukutrade like ku dashboard Scholar nesibonile yehla futhi
But then ngibona ilontuzana la.
free education iyo le ithi join trading workshops ngithi ibhale 00 cause ibalance so izokhuphula like le 00 musuvala
But bemele iveze le 500 and something.
multi account information ngizokubonisa
Ku credit.
and then 29 na 29 ile so vele ithi view details yehla futhi yabo sokusele 79 yimi ngirejistile mina ke mese the 8 kusho ukuthi wena mo register izobe so register na singenile so for Saturday indaba yakho siconfirmed so okay got it then buyela kule account ngifuna ukubonisa lento leyo uyibuza press amadoda i3 la kule account le press yi 00 cause ibalance so press the 3
So
dots.
how is it going? If you decide ukulontuzana
move ala ma trade iyo izokhuphuka and then it's account information so okay I'm not sure why ngaveli like kwano mara like funeka ivele ku credit funeka ivele like that ku credit so mara move ala ma trade every trade uyivala yakhuphuka like ibalance yakho la so like let's say the trade lesivalile esivulile no ngofuna ukuchecka checka le trade le khona la
afungenile ma. Kubizwa.
so mofuna ukutesta le trade esivule ku meta trade ungayivala and then uzobona ibalance yakhe izokhuphuka whereas the date isazoba la until you withdraw so that's why it is
How is it possible?
ayinthi welcome bonus and bafuna ukuthi ngathi mo trade dog like
So if now
imali yakho so ku meta trade la
meta trade 5
then okay it's close validity okay it's I accept it's okay
you can activate
this is lama one click trading ngafunda la
okay so and then now we continue
it's okay then press futhi la it's lama 3 dots close all positions
ngavali makaya
ngithi ufuna ukubona meyikhuphuka
ngavali njami ngavali awufuna 18000 amafeni
ngizovala ngene futhi afela ngithi uworried ngezimo so belento like le profit le moyivala izongena so that's why like
okay ngavali njami
ngithi udoga ngithi
credits
isikolo
so ibalance okay ibalance abana bangavala ama profit azoba
so wena nayo imali yakhe lesiyenza le $30 ejonga khona ku-withdraw letha ukosi makathuvala khona ngiyabo ime kanje sikhona ukuthenga nekoda ngoba le sokuyi-profit maka le $30 asikhoni like nokuyikhipha maka le sizoyenza sikhona ukuyikhipha
Understandable.
ngifuna ukubala
Ngifuna 18,000.
so that's why it's already kuma-profit analysis, guys, is key.
Mama ngavala ufuna ukubona ichoke la ngavala uvule futhi. Uthi uzovala la kukungumu.
Iyeke nje like
Yeah.
since you understood how you don't do because nami ngicabanga ukuthi
That's why ngithi ungavali nje. Mina nobafuke siyazaphula ama-trade nje. Yabona no. Abe sipaka ama-63 ngaphandle. Yabona ukuvala nokuvula ukuba usingabuka.
lento kubona imali encane ujabule then. So guys, let's today's episode.
Yeah,
I'm not sure ukuthi what else mara agenda mina yizo ngomtshele ngazo ukuthi ngifuna sizikhabe ne. Because nearly Saturday sizoyijistile. Ikhona enye into ngisafuna
Yeah. So
refreshment now until refreshment.
Hey, it's about to go to the baby son, to the boom. We've been in the slums.
So yeah, bafethu ezimbonile ibonus days it ezimboni credit and then credit yakhona $30 as you can see. Ama profits akhona it's actually going up.
So
Bozova.
Because nomuntu makavula account uzocabanga lento moyisho so ngifuna explain.
Okay. So bafethu this 00 balance it means ukuthi angithi remember it's a credit. So imali abakuboleke yona it's not imali oyidepositile wena. If both deposit imali yakho maybe bezovela lapha ukuthi okay na ibalance yakho this is your money, this is the amount of money you have. So now since kukanje so every profit mangathi ngiyaclose right now that profit will actually go to any balance yami. Remember ngithi ukuthi $30 ile ngibolekwe yona. Yeah, understand. So that's how ilontuzane XM is actually crediting people, understand. So yeah, from there angazi ungaba explainela futhi ubatshele more about your ridings and then how it actually works ukuthi lo 00 kwenzakalani kahle because mhlawumbe mina ngangizwa maybe nga explain ngona
mara ile nto ngifetha ishilo 00 it's because awufakanga mali if mufaka imali mizofaka leyo mali and then so ziku 00 ezokhuphulwa ama profits manje because never uvala ama profit isale ku 00 and then that money ayibayenzela ukuthi bangadidi because if izothi $30 and then mara khona ukuwithdraw. So at least it goes 00 and then let's say over $10. All of that $10 will withdraw. Imagine if me pay $40, my can keep at 10. So it goes 00, but thing I'm confused. At least we ask with Yonki Malegu balance can we keep. So yeah.
Okay, I never fail to. This was it on another episode. The dollar dates were free to, as you know, meet us next time. Since something says register we are actually ready to actually go for Leo Venture Leo and actually go and see what's going on. In terms of the real account is in nayo and then we can actually see what access you can access through having an account with XM. So for you Ozbuza, which is already and all of that, you just need to open an account and then you create login details and then take the 30% bonus, you deposit, have a real account, and then you can actually go to that school and actually get trading lessons and all of that. So the school, as I said before, is situated in Santim. So on Saturday we'll be doing content based on that. So yeah, as mentioned, the renovations like higher. Taxi Sally Pumile. So yeah, money laundering gang. So so until we meet next time on another episode of Dollar Dates, just make sure to tune in and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us and then like and then comment kuma comments ku YouTube for you to actually tell us ukuthi you would like ukuthi dollar dates be usually on Fridays or Saturdays, because eventually most of our traders abanye bayasebenza and all of that. So we wanted you ukuthi ukwazi ukutuna in uhleli kahle nge weekend, and I think we'll be venturing to